Good morning, my name is Flor Maduro. I am a student at the Bicentenario University of Aragua. Today, I'm gonna talk about you connectores and comparative adjective and superlative adjective. First, let's look on two types of connectores, addiction and cause and effect. Addiction connector like and or also help join similares ideas. For example, I like coffee and I like tea. Cause and effect connectors like because also explain reason or result such and student hard because I want good grades also practice every day. Second, comparative adjective. Comparative two things and addiction. Short adjective. Using more with longer one plus than like this book is more interesting than one. Finally, superlative adjective. Show the highest degree, almost three or more by addiction. It or the most, for example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This talk makes it for English clear and more connected.